Hi, today we're going to learn how to tell the time. So we need to slow clock, and what number do we need first? Which one's this? It's a triangle. It's a number 1. 1. Now we need to find a square piece. That one. And number 2. That's right. Next is number 3, and it's a pentagon. Next is a round shape. It's a number 4, and it's a circle. Next, a triangle. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! 5. What's this one? Got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Could be this one. Number 6. Okay. Another pentagon. This one's got 1. Try this one. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Number 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What next? 8. And it's a circle again. This time it's a green circle. What's after 8? This is a 3-sided shape. It's a triangle. And it's number 9. And what's after 9? Is it number 10? There's 2 more left. And which one's first? 11 or 12? 11 or 12? I think it's number 11. And then right at the top is number 12. Let's set the time. So the big hand is at 12. The little hand is at 1. Oh, we can't do it. There we go. And it's 1. Oh. Clock. Oh. K, L, O, K, K. 1 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock. What time is it next? It's going to be 2 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Now it's, what number's this one? 3 o'clock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock. Oh, that's right. 4 o'clock. Tick tock. Next is 5 o'clock. Oh, that needs to be 12. 5 o'clock. Look, there's number 5. Look at that. And the big hand's at the top and the little hand's at the bottom. Now it's 6 o'clock. So what's next? We've got 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Well done. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Number 7. And tick tock. Oh. 8 o'clock now. Number 8. That's number 8 there. Oh, we're nearly finished. Now 9 o'clock. Next one will be, we need 2 numbers for this one. It's a 1 and a 1 and a 0. That's number 10. 10 o'clock. Number 11 o'clock. And then number And it's 12 o'clock again. Midnight. Oh, is it dinner time? Yum yum. Time for dinner. See you later. I hope you enjoyed this video.